That corner window is so cool. Oh, this is also pretty nice. Wow. That's authentic. Very impressive. Beautiful. Work. Insane. Whoa. Well, I certainly didn't expect this. So when we planned our travels through Spain, did a bit of research in some of the towns, but Caceres, I hope I pronounced that correctly, is just like stepping back into medieval times. So today's the 30th of May 2026. It's currently 28 degrees, but it's going up to 38 degrees today. So if you are going to come here, I'd probably suggest coming a little bit earlier than the 30th of May, because it's going to be a scorcher soon. I'm trying to walk just around, and there's towers and cathedrals and beautiful walls all everywhere you go. Seriously stunning. Look at this. Just like you just step back in time.
Whispers crawl where the candles fade. Echo.
Just wow, every gap. Oh my god.
Fingers trace words written in sand. Every secret carved into the
You just walk along and you see this.
Cloaks of silence shroud the air. Chanting monks in a sacred prayer.
Some scary looking costumes.
The organ weeps in a mournful glare. The weight of doom is everywhere. Faint light breaks through.
Wow. Okay, so I've never seen anything like this before. We walked into what seemed to be some sort of museum upstairs, and then there's just a doorway that comes through from up there, and it leads into some sort of water reservoir. Staircase that goes up to nowhere. So some sort of well where the water must come down through there. Very unique. It just doesn't matter where you walk in this place. It's quite spectacular. You can see why they made some of the Game of Thrones here. Super medieval, it's really nice. Lovely restaurant. So this is the one, the outer walls lead back into the old town. And it leads up from the large square down the bottom where a lot of the restaurants are. But it's a massive area inside with lots of little strips that go everywhere. So this is the Plaza Mayor. It's where all the signs will point to. Big open area, so that's sort of the city hall at the end there, and there's a bit of a shopping street straight ahead up there where you see the Hotel Iberia, and then this obviously, as you can see, peppered with restaurants, and that's where the wall starts, just behind there into the old town. Definitely a beautiful place to see. One of the nicest medieval towns we've ever been to. Yummy. Okay, so we must have just gone out the old town area and down to a little bit more of mainstream. Wow, look at this for a little supermarket. It's just gorgeous. Wow. Alright, it's time to try my first churros in Spain. This looks pretty authentic. Not sure what any of that is, but my first churros. Still nice and hot. Moist in the middle, but needs some sugar. Need some sugar. Okay, so that was a nice little pit stop. So I just got that one large churros, which was lovely, but it needed a little bit of icing sugar, but that was easy to fix. But it was fresh, hot, and it only cost €0.50. So if you want to stop for a nice fresh churros, go in there. It's really nice.